Hello guys, this is my explanation video for my first practice set project. So this is my hand-drawn playout for the card. It's real basic. My plan was to try out if animated GIFs can be displayed by image view or not. It turns out it cannot be done. So the focus of the plan was pretty much in the animated GIF, so I had to use other solutions to do this. Another point is matching the background of the animated GIF to the parent background. I got the hex code from the GIF with Photoshop, so after all of it, it was really easy. It should be easier if your GIF is transparent, but I'm not sure how that would work. But I don't think it would be really problematic. Okay, this is the GIF I used. It's a pushing GIF, kind of funny and cute. Okay, as you can see in the preview, you cannot see the GIF because I had to use code that's not initially in Android Studio. How this is done is basically I had to insert this code, this line, to compile code from this source, and also I had to add these two lines, you see. Okay, so after I added this, I had a sync now button appeared. I did it, so the additional stuff to display GIFs downloaded. The process is not different too much, but this is the name. This is the name of the class, GIF image view, and you have to add this little phrase too. I think this is the URL, like droidsonroids.gif. It's like a Polish URL, I think. I'm not sure. So as you can see, the GIF is centered. It's wrap content, and that's all really. What's interesting, how I got the hex codes. So you have to get this little pipette tool, right click, and get the HTML code for it, and then if you insert it, if you paste it, you can just get it from the hashtag until the last digit, and then copy it, and you have the hex code. So it's really useful. I didn't use any web apps for it. It was easier to go with Photoshop. So yeah, the styling wasn't really important. Basically, the background is matching because the GIF has some quality errors when it's moving. It's on the phone, it's displaying kind of grindy, but it's alright, I think. And the text has this darker greenish blue color. I used the casual font because it looks like Comic Sans, and it's funny, yeah, nothing really special. It's also horizontal. The title is horizontally centered, and it has a 32 SP padding, I mean margin, and the bottom text is slightly smaller, and it's positioned to the right, and it has the same margin. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It turns out I cannot emulate Android on my AMD processor APU, so I think I will show it from phone capture. I think it turned out really good. I had to mess around with it for a while, but after I got it right, I was really surprised. It was a eureka moment, and I hope you will enjoy the results. Okay, so this is the app, as you can see, and GIF is pretty nice, I think. It turned out really well. If you see, if I tilt the screen, you cannot see the main title, but it doesn't really bother me. Really, my main goal was achieving an animated GIF, and that worked, and I'm really happy about it. I will place a link in the description to a really bad video, but it was really the simplest, and you have to use like the times two playback speed, but you know, really to get it going. But it's really the simplest to use if you want to display GIFs too. So thank you for watching and happy coding, guys.